Hi, this is Ken with Village Green, and today Hannah is going to be showing us how we install mulch and giving the best tips for installing it.
So today we are finishing up a landscape job in Frisco, and one of the last things we do is to apply mulch. We do this for a few different reasons. One, aesthetically, it is very pleasing and helps complete the look of the landscape. Two, it does help prevent weeds. And three, over time, this mulch does break down and it will add nutrients to the soil. We apply the mulch at about 2.5, 3 inches thick. One of the things you want to prevent doing is burying your plants. Most especially, you do not want to bury your trees. This tree, this is a young redbud that we just put in. You can see right here, this is the root flare. You want to keep this exposed because this is where the tree takes up a lot of its nutrients and oxygen. When you bury that with mulch, one, it restricts the oxygen, as well as creating moisture around the bark of the tree, which eventually the bark starts to chip away, and that allows opportunity for insects and different types of fungal diseases to get in there. So the biggest thing to remember when mulching is keeping it at about 2.5, 3 inches thick, and do not bury your plants, especially do not bury your trees. Another thing to keep in mind when mulching is if you are mulching along the foundation of your home, is you do not want to cover the foundation. You always want to leave at least a couple inches of room between the mulch and the foundation. These right here, the weep holes, you do not want to bury these at all. You want to leave a clear line of sight for pest control when they come to treat for termites or other types of pests. They can easily do so. The other reason why we don't want to cover the foundation is because this mulch holds a lot of moisture. Over time, eventually you will have water seeping into the home. So always keep at least a couple inches between the foundation line and where you are applying the mulch.
So the kind of mulch that we use is a fine shredded hardwood mulch. We generally use that because we like the way that it breaks down into the soil. Mulch is our second shot at giving good organic material to the plants. The first, of course, is when we till up the soil and put in that compost. Here lately we've been using a black colored mulch. We like that because that black color makes the plants really pop. This is Ken with Village Green. If you like these videos, please send them on to your friends and family and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Village Green, growing plants, growing people, and growing relationships.